31 million for medical drills in Jamaica. But before I continue, like, follow, share. The cost of these drills are not my main concern. It's a massive concern, but it's not my main concern. What is my main concern? The fact that Jamaicans seem to be incapable of moving away from PMP versus GLP mentality. If we were able to see past our political affiliations, we would have been able to identify and rectify the root cause of these issues. I'm not even going to go into the cost again. I'm not going into it because the root issue that we're having is that Jamaicans, most Jamaicans, not all, are incapable of seeing past orange or green. But hey, these are just my thoughts for the years.